Hello viewers, if I want to change my TikTok account birth date showing this error, unable to edit birth date. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's start. For solving this problem, first of all, you need to update your TikTok apps. So go to Play Store. Now tap on search bar and search for TikTok. Search TikTok. From here, update your TikTok app. After completing update process, now open TikTok. Now tap on profile icon. Tap on three-line icon. Now tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down. Find help center. Now go to help center. Now tap on chat with us. After tap on chat with us, a menu will appear. From here, just tap on account. Now type a message to TikTok team. Type I cannot change my birthday. After typing message, now send your message and then wait few seconds. After few seconds, a new option will appear. Now here you can see edit date of birth. Just tap on this option. Now from here you can change your date of birth. Just select your date of birth and then tap on confirm to change your date of birth. Again click on confirm. Now your date of birth has been changed. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.